All right, we're going to kick off our 4 state birthdays this morning with Jaren Shyb, who's now 4 years old. Look at that little princess there in her dress. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, Jaren.
What a marvelous picture right there. One look at Jaren and she just puts a smile on your face right there on a Monday morning. That's wonderful. Happy birthday, Jaren. Ariana Briner, now double digits as she hits the big number 10. Very happy birthday, Ariana, in Pittsburgh.
All right, and we've got Jackson Jett turning 10 years old this year. Jackson is in Carl Junction. His birthday was actually on Saturday. His grandma and grandpa want to give him birthday wishes today.
From double digits to the teenage years, Zane Michael Gabern now turning 13 over the weekend. Zane, these birthday wishes come with love from Mom. Zane's in Cherokee.
And Gerard Jaden Hawkins celebrating Sweet 16 this year. Happy birthday, Jaden.
Run out to Carthage. Michael Parker celebrating his 37th birthday. Happy birthday, Michael. Love the black and white photo. That's cool.
All right, and Mike Myers turning double sixes in Chanute.
Now, look at I'm going to guess with the crown.
I recognize what game that's from. Pretty Pretty Princess. I used to play that with my little sister a long time ago.
That is tremendous. Happy birthday, Mike.
It says here he likes to play with his 3 granddaughters.
Yeah.
So that would explain the
Pretty
Pretty Princess crown and jewelry.
You got 3 granddaughters. That's what you do as grandpa, man. That's what you do. Cleo Jones, a happy 86th birthday to Mr. Jones. He celebrates in Weir.
And let's see, Angela Klein in La Harpe, Kansas. Happy birthday.
Patricia Nave celebrating a birthday. Patricia, I want you to have a marvelous, marvelous Monday birthday in Iola.
All right, we've got a 2nd anniversary wish going out to Thad and Lori McQueen. Congratulations to the McQueens in Fredonia.
So this one falls squarely on me. Joe and Pat Willis on Friday. I'm not sure, I don't remember what I said, but I want to correct what I said. Their 54th anniversary, and that picture that we see right there, that was from 4 years ago. On their 50th anniversary, they renewed their wedding vows. And so now they celebrate number 54. So congratulations once again to Joe and Pat in Nevada.
All right. Let's see, we've got a resident at Independent Living Duplexes in Carrington Place.
Miss Boger.
Miss Boger. Viva Boger turning 102 years old. Looking wonderful,
Yes.
Miss Viva.
Marvelous woman.
I understand that they're going to have a big birthday party there today from 1:30 to 2:30 at Carrington Place there in Pittsburgh. They will be doing wellness checks to anyone that enters the building.
So 1:30 to 2:30 this afternoon at Carrington Place. Wear your mask, please. But if you have a chance, go wish Miss Boger a very happy birthday. And very happy birthday from all of us viewing. Marvelous, marvelous woman. Marianne York, she is celebrating a birthday in Carl Junction. This is the one of the aunts of our own graphic artist, Will York, who puts together all the birthdays and anniversaries. Marianne, a very happy birthday from all of us. And who Daddy is?
Our station mom. Sorry, Shelley, that's what we call you.
So here's the deal, folks. I can't reiterate it enough. If any of us in this station right now were to walk out the door, this station would function just fine. Nothing would happen. It would continue to go on. It'd be successful as it went on. If she were to walk out the door, I don't know if the 4 walls would still stand. That's how important she is to not only the station, that's how important she is to all of us.
That is very true.
Tanya, I don't think I could have said it better. You hit the nail on the head. She's our station mom, she's our station foundation, she's the cornerstone. You don't see her on air, but I'll tell you this much, she's more important than maybe most important person around.
No doubt. Happy birthday, Shelley.
Love you,
have a
Shelley.
wonderful day.
Happy birthday.
We love you.
Tammy Harvell, celebrating a 49th birthday. Happy birthday to Tammy in Miami. Jackson Bowen, now 9 years old. Jackson, I want you to know that These birthday wishes come with love from mom, dad, family, and friends. And Jason Edge is 35. He's young. I just remember, I remember Jason. We've been around the Edge family long, marvelous family right there. Jason, a very, very happy birthday to you as he celebrates the big 3-5. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to all. Now here's Tanya Bach with a very, very important birthday announcement.
All right, you can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club. All you have to do is go to our website and sign up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMnewsnow.com. Sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.